Hello, welcome to this demonstration of installing the Power BI Gateway, the on-premise one, the personal version for Power BI. I'm Stamati from redware.com. If you search for download Power BI Gateway, download the gateway here, run this little program here, you'll get to the installation screen. Make sure you choose the personal mode. uh, I mean, the personal mode is not as good as the other mode, but it's just very easy to set up. So we're going to stick with that for now. And then you follow these instructions. It's quite straightforward. In the next video, we'll show you how to actually set it up from the point of view of Power BI to actually replicate the data. So it's going to check a few settings. I'll give it an email address. Got to sign in. So it's going to tell you the gateway is online and ready to run. And that is really it. If you've already installed it, just go here, type gateway to find it, and then just check that you're connected here. And in which case, you're ready to go and watch the next video. Okay, thank you.